Well, we got, I don't know, probably about new 6 inches of snow. I actually put my mucks on because, yeah, it's really piling up. It's absolutely beautiful. It's cold. I want to check on the critters because if you look, now I know we just had some snow, but this is how the backyard has looked for a few days now, and no deer tracks, none. And the snowpack, as you can see, is getting thick, and this extended cold, you know, this is when you lose a lot of these little fawns. They just can't get enough food, and it's been very cold. I'm hoping as it's supposed to warm up, as you can see here. So I'm hoping that the deer can get out and get themselves fed and taken care of. Yeah, I'd say we got about 5-6 inches of snow in the driveway. We'll get that taken care of. I got to run some errands, and yeah, and then we'll come back and do that. So it's, you know, I counted up this morning so far this year. Today will be the 15th time I'm plowing, which is definitely more than usual. And again, it's been the nuisance stuff. I don't know if we have had a snowfall over 8 or 10 inches all year. It's been this 2 inches, 3 inches kind of stuff. And almost every day it seems here lately. Most of those 15 times was in the month of, I would say from mid-January to now mid-February. I don't mind doing it, as I've said 100 times, but you know, sometimes I just want to play in a bunch of snow, which we don't get every year, but you know, this is Western New York, and we do get snow. Today's snow is really light and fluffy, as I mentioned. It's 14 degrees, so it'll be very, very easy snow to plow. Yesterday, I plowed and took some extra time at the end to get some ice accumulation off of the driveway, so that shouldn't be an issue today. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna run some errands. Okay, I gotta go to the post office. I'm just gonna show you guys our post office. Is kind of cool. It's so tiny, probably smaller than most people's houses. It's been around over 100 years. This is basically a farming community. At least it used to be, until a lot of it got sold off. But we still got a lot of farming in the area. So yeah, when I grew up, this was the country. I mean, this was out there. I grew up probably about 10 miles from here, 8 miles from here. But yeah, there was nothing around here. But unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on how you want to look at it, it's developed quite a bit. Yeah, so let me do that. I'm going to get some coffee, run a couple errands, and then go back and plow the driveway. Yep, so this is our little post office. Really convenient, literally like 2-3 minutes from the house. It is a beautiful day. I mean, it really is. It's cold, but sun's out. Hey, worst case, I get some seat time in the tractor. I'm all for that. I plowed yesterday. And when I was done, I took some extra time and really scraped some ice off the driveway. So this should come up pretty easy today. the front bucket where the kids are parked, simply because a lot of times I don't get to plow it, and there they do build up some ice. Is concerned about getting every little bit up today, because it is supposed to get up high 30s, close to 40 next week. So, and they're saying this is going to be pretty much it for the snow right now. So, we'll see. To get what I believe is the soot warning, and soot level says 57%, exhaust filter 40. I'm not sure. that's it. Yeah, snow. That's all right. Seat time on the tractor, as I said, and sure is beautiful out. God bless you all. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time on Tractors in Life.